Hi guys, my name is Joy and here's the programmers underscore JFJ YouTube channel. Today I will be focusing on Python keywords and what are keywords actually. There is one more restriction on identifiers names. The Python language reserves a small set of keywords that are designed special. Language functionality. No object can have the same name as the reserved word. In Python 3.6 there are three reserved keywords such as false, none, true, class, continue, finally, for, from, is. There are more keywords that are built in Python. As I've said, there are 33 in Python 3.6. If you want to know more about the keywords, please comment. I'll see your comment, then I'll help you on what keywords are. Let's code something or shows how keywords are used in Python. Let's try writing for it's equals to 10 in it's equals to a if it's equals to programming. Let's try run our program and see what it outputs. Python has a built functions in them. Actually there are keywords whereby we cannot use the keywords as our variables. Python does not allow us to use the keywords as our variables. Trying to create a variable with the same word as any reserved word result, it's an error. Let's try print 4. That's right. It shows an error just because 4 it's a Python keyword, so they cannot be used as variables in Python. As for today, we are done with keywords. It's just a simple chapter. Please subscribe to this channel, like, share. Thank you for watching this video.